you're an extreme off-roader or you just use your truck on a daily basis, these are 5 mods that you need.
Alright, number 1 is a bed mat. I've owned 4 trucks and I will make sure to never ever own another truck without a bed mat. First and foremost, it stops things from sliding around. I personally carry 2 baskets in the bed of my truck at all times. And I tried this without the bed mat and they slide around everywhere. Not only that, take a look at this. I thought I could go without a bed mat when I first bought the truck. This is all the damage that I got, probably 2 months of ownership without a bed mat. There's dings, they're dents, and as much as we want to say it's a truck, we care about them, okay? We care about these trucks and we don't want that. Get yourself a bed mat, link down below. Whoa, number 2, bed lights. Bed lights are an absolute must. Now that I have a truck with bed lights, I can't go back. With the click of a button, you got light. It has helped me in so many different situations. For example, you go camping, it's dark out, let there be light. You go get groceries, it's dark out, you need to see, let there be light. It is an absolute must. Number 3 is probably the best for theft prevention. I personally have one of the most affordable bed covers on the market, link down below if you're interested, and it does wonders. If you have any type of tools, any type of camping gear, any type of valuables that you don't want someone snooping in or stealing, get a bed cover. I took this bed cover off when I had just a bed rack and I thought, I don't need a bed cover, who's gonna try to steal my stuff? I kid you not, I went to the store and when I came out, everything that I had inside the bed had been moved around. You know what I did when I got home? The bed cover was back on. A lot of the times when I'm going to the beach, it says sunshine, nothing but sunshine, and I'll be halfway to the beach and it's pouring. Now, you may be saying, Aang, what's the problem with some rain? That all my girlfriend's bags are in the back of the truck and they're now soaked. Guess who's getting in trouble? This guy. But with the bed cover, it's not gonna get wet. But I also don't have enough money to go to the beach because I spent it on the bed cover, so I mean, whatever. Number 4 is a bed rack. That was dangerous. I've had this bed rack for around 6 months and I gotta say it's an absolute beast. And out of all the modifications in my bed, this is the one that serves the most purposes. Number 1, it looks cool. Everywhere I go, people ask me about my bed rack. They say it looks nice. Secondly, since you got that bed cover on there, you can roll it up. But if you don't want to roll it up every time, you got a bed rack, you can put things on top. Well, right now, it's naked. But previously, I had bike racks on it and I even had a little cargo shell on top of it, which is now gone, but we got something coming. So not only does it look cool, it performs absolutely great, but third, it gives you more ability to mount things. I could mount my shovel on this side and then mount my axe on the other side. And for some people, it may sound dumb, but for the overlanders, that sounds like an absolute dream. Number 5 is the Sumo Spring. All of these modifications have one thing in common. This is extra weight, this is extra weight, this is extra weight, and all of that is extra weight. These Sumo Springs are absolutely money. What I like about these the most is you can go ahead and upgrade your rear suspension, get yourself a heavy duty leaf pack. The problem is if you're anything like me, you don't always have your truck loaded. And if you don't always have your truck loaded, that means your ride quality is going to be garbage. But with the Sumo Springs, the more weight you add, the more they react. So if you have a lot of weight in your bed, they're gonna be there to help you smoothen out your ride, gain stability, and it'll also prevent sagging. But if you have no weight in your truck, then they're not there until you need them to be. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. I don't know how I'm getting out of here. I told Sandy I was going out to record, and I'm coming home like I got beat up. People probably think I'm up here running a parkour channel. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Oh no. Ow. Ooh. That was extremely dangerous. Be a YouTuber, they said. It'd be fun, they said.